Hey, I just wanted to pull over real quick to share something that, how do I put it, kind of hit me, kind of like, ha, while I was teaching in the shop today. And it's about jumper cables. Now, what are jumper cables used for? Well, they're not to fix a car forever. They're there just to help it get started. And here's the part that people often forget. The car with the good battery doesn't lose anything by helping. Life works the same way. Sometimes someone you care about is stuck. Not broken, not lazy, just drained. And in those moments, they don't need a lecture. They don't need you to rev your engine and show off. They just need a connection, a little charge, just enough to start getting things turning again. And here's the hardest truth of it. Jumper cables only work when you're close enough to reach. If you keep your distance, no one starts. Helping someone doesn't mean you're carrying them forever. It means you're standing close. You're long enough for them to remember that they're not alone and that they can still work out. But there's someone else that don't talk about enough. There's just something else. And that is, you can't jumpstart another car without your car running. Meaning is, you can't already be drained yourself. You need to be steady and grounded. You got to be alive so that you can help someone else. So check in with yourself first. Make sure. Because if you're already drained and you're already in survival mode, you're not going to be able to help efficiently with someone else. Because we don't end up with just one car, but we end up with two stuck. And for those who do feel like their battery's dead right now, this is for you. You're not low, you're not struggling, but empty. Here's what I want to share. Needing a jump start doesn't mean you're weak. It means you're running hard. It means you've been showing up a lot longer for people that may not have saw it. It means that you have took more out of you than you have left to give. You're not broken. You're not behind. You're not a burden. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is to pull over, pop the hood, and let someone help. You're not alone. Till we write again. Thank you.